How to recover Ctrl Z deleted files and folders. So if you want to recover Ctrl Z deleted files and folders, then what you need to do is first just watch this video. The good news is that in many cases, your data is still recoverable. So first, let me say I deleted a folder right here. I'll just simply right click on it and then go with delete. Once it has been deleted, you need to press Ctrl Y on your keyboard because Ctrl Y is a redo command, which reverses the undo action. So if you've just pressed Ctrl Z and haven't restarted your computer or performed too many other actions, this can instantly bring your deleted file or folder back. This is the fastest and the easiest way. So try this first. You can press Ctrl Z or Ctrl Y in order to bring back your file. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check the recycle bin. So go back, and here you will have your recycle bin on your desktop. You need to go with your recycle bin and then just find the folder that you've just deleted, file or the folder. Once you find the folder, you need to click on it, right click on that, and then go with restore. And it will be restored. You can go back to your folder, and as you can see that it has been restored. So that's how you can recover Ctrl Z deleted files and folders. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.